In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover animation in GoHighLevel website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make buttons, images, or cards respond when someone hovers over them, adding a polished, interactive feel to your pages. Start by opening GoHighLevel in your browser and head into your workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Sites. Click that to reveal your website options, then choose Websites. This takes you to a list of the websites in your account. Find the website you want to work on and click it to open its settings and content. Inside your website, go to the Pages area. This is where all your site's pages are organized. Locate the page you want to update and click Edit. That opens the page builder so you can make visual changes right on the canvas. In the builder, click the specific element you want to animate on hover. This could be a call to action button, an image, a feature card, or any block you want to make feel more interactive. Once an element is selected, look over to the right-hand settings panel. You'll see several tabs there. Choose Animations. This is where GoHighLevel groups both entrance effects and hover effects, so you can add motion intentionally and consistently. Within Animations, find the Hover Animation section. Click it to reveal your hover options. Hover animations only trigger when a visitor places their cursor over the element, so they're a great way to add feedback without distracting from your layout. Now choose the style you want. Select Elevate to give the element a subtle lift effect on hover. This works beautifully on buttons and cards, signaling that they're clickable without being overbearing. After you test Elevate, you can also try Wobble. Wobble adds a quick, playful shake that draws attention and can be effective for promotions or highlights. In the editor, you can move your cursor over the element to preview the effect right away. If it feels too strong for your brand, switch back to a more understated option like Elevate. A few quick tips as you fine-tune: apply hover animations sparingly so your page remains clean and accessible. Keep consistency across similar elements so your design feels intentional, and check spacing, shadows, and borders, which can amplify or tone down the effect. If your theme uses strong shadows already, Elevate may appear more dramatic, so adjust styles as needed. When you're happy with the result, preview the page to confirm it behaves as expected on desktop. Then publish or save your changes so visitors can experience the new interaction. That's it. Your hover animation is live, and your page feels more engaging and modern.